how to turn off or on location permission on Alexa shopping time on Amazon shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon shopping and then click this and then click permissions and scroll down scroll down until you find location and then keep scrolling down, and here you will find it Alexa shopping time. You can turn it on or off, but you need to allow this one here all the time, and that's it. Then you can turn it off or on, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.